Hello, everybody. I hope you all are having a good day. So, guys, today we will be going over the GK Daily Briefs for 2nd July 2021, brought to you by Opus. We will be covering 4 news articles today. The first news item for today deals with India jumping 3 spots in the global startup ranking this year. India stands at the 20th spot among the top 100 countries that have been ranked in the Global Startup Ecosystem Index of 2021. The index was topped by the United States, followed by the United Kingdom and Israel in the second and third positions, respectively. In 2020, India stood at the 23rd spot. Moving on, we have Air Marshal Vivek Ram Chaudhary succeeding as the new Vice Chief of Indian Air Force after Air Marshal Harjit Singh Arora. He is currently serving as the Commander-in-Chief of the Indian Air Force's Western Air Command. The Chief of Air Staff is currently RKS Bhadauria or Rakesh Kumar Singh Bhadauria. Moving on, we have the central government extending the tenure of Amitabh Kant, the Chief Executive Officer of Niti Aayog, by 1 year till June 2022. This will be the third extension since he took charge in 2026. Some important information about Niti Aayog is that it was created on 1st January 2015 and is headquartered in Delhi. Before we move on, guys, I would request you all to please go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing daily briefs brought to you by Opus. Well, the oldest commercial bank in the country figures in the last news item for today. The oldest commercial bank in the country, the State Bank of India, is celebrating its 66th year on the 1st of July. The Imperial Bank of India became the SBI on this day in 1955. The SBI descends from the Bank of Calcutta, which was founded in 1806 through the Imperial Bank of India. Well, that is enough and all for today, guys. I hope you're all having a good day and thanks a lot for tuning in. This has been brought to you by Opus.